So on Euro USD, we we watched this level last week. We expected the market to gravitate towards this level here, the first monthly buy objective, and as you can see, the market has traded to that level. The market has traded through that level. So without this line here, was the same analysis I made on the 3rd of on the 3rd of December 2023, that on EU, which is Euro USD, we are expecting a bullish movement. The same thing, we had single highs. We have a single high that formed on the 3rd of July. So it was said that buy side expected to be raised. Then the consequence encroachment of the same date, which is the 3rd of July, which happens to be the level happens to be 1.11328. The consequence encroachment of this week here, the week, this is the week we are talking about, the week here. So the line, the the orange line that delineates the consequence encouragement. So we said the week 3rd of July consequence encouragement. That is also a level we are watching at. We are watching for the market to get to. Then the second monthly objective is the buy side, which happens to be a long-term expectation of what we expected the market to do. So at very worst, we expect the market to visit the consequence encouragements of that week, the week of the candle that formed in July, and also the high, also the previous month's high. So that is the high that formed in November. So this is the high that forms in November. Oh, sorry, November candle. This is November candle. So the high of that candle is what we are looking at. The high comes in at 1.10171. The high comes in at 1.10171. So that's that. We still have unfinished business on Euro USD as well. So that is what we are expecting on Euro USD. So the coming week we are expecting the market to visit the week, the consequence encouragement of the week. So if we look to the left on our weekly chart, we discover this is a bearish order block here, and the level that was marked is a little bit above, is around the mean threshold of that of that of that order block, the mean threshold of this order block here. So is the same place we found the consequence encouragement of the week. Also, if we look into this level, there is a little fair value gap here, so that's also a level of liquidity. That is a sell side liquidity, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Sorry, that is a CB on its own. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So it's a buy side liquidity because we expected the market we to gravitate towards it. So it's like a magnet that magnet price to that level. In a nutshell, we are still going bullish on Euro USD. So everything I'm saying here, I'm reading out from my journal. What I have written since the beginning of the month, even before the market started, moving. So let's go to US 30, which is Dow futures. I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. I don't want it to be every level we are expecting um on Dow has been traded to. Personally, I will advise only intertrade intermediate trading on Dow futures for now, because every level we expected has been what has been smoked, has been traded through. Because as of third of this month, the analysis we had was bullish, and it was still bullish, and the market is still bullish. So the good thing we have to do, if we must to trade it, is to look for opportunities on lower time frame. We look for either sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity, or imbalance where we expected the market to what to gravitate towards. So until the market opens, I'm unable to make decision here, even though I'm still bullish on US 30, which is Dow. Also, I'm still bullish on S&P 500. I'm still bullish on Nasdaq. As well. You can see everything we highlighted on all these charts, everything comes into fruition. So is there's nothing like magic. It's a matter of training consistently. So let's see S&P 500. S&P 500 has unfinished business. S&P 500 just crossed the mean threshold of the other block, of the bearish other block we had on December, let's see, December 2021. So S&P 500 has unfinished business to attend to. So you see, I have a buy side liquidity to attack on S&P 500. So this is the bearish order block here. So the main threshold has been traded to and through. So the next level we are looking at is this level here, which supposed to be relative equal highs. So that is a liquidity area we'll be watching for the coming week on S&P 500. So then let's go to the last but not the least I think I wanted to check on gold as well, but let me check Nasdaq. Let's see what has happened on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq also has crossed. Nasdaq also has crossed, has met our monthly. Let me put it that way. Has met our monthly objective. It happens to be the buy side liquidity here. It was traded through. It has been traded through, and it has been traded through. The only one we have left is the EMIN S&P. That is the S&P 500. So trading this coming week, just go intermediate trading. The sessions, New York session, London session, and the likes. So we are still bullish anyway. Just that the levels we are expecting for the month has been taken, and they has been traded to. And also the fact that we have a sell candle here does not mean my bias has changed. I'm not yet convinced. So that's why I said we only pick trade on lower time frame, pending the time we get a clearer picture of what the market intends to do. But presently the bias still remain the same. So let me quickly check on gold and we call it a day. As of last week, oh, on gold, from my journal, I think I wrote there is a level, there is a buy side imbalance. Buy side imbalance of fair value gap. Let me see. That forms. The date I have here was October 9th, 2023. This is the level I was pointing at. Long term. Yeah, from my journal is long term on gold. We expect the market to attack this short term sell side liquidity equal lows on 6th and 13th November 2023. 6th and 13th, 6th and 13th, which is here, which is this level. So the market has not started moving that way for now, but personally I'm out of gold for now. But if I'm to trade, those are the level I will work towards and I'll walk through. So maybe the coming week we see what the market does after the holiday, the bank holiday due to Christmas, the birth of the Lord Jesus Christ. Then we can see what it's what might happen. But till then, I have nothing to say on this pair for now. So that will be all for tonight. I wish every one of us Merry Christmas and happy new year in advance once again. Remember, subscribe to our channel, then click on like. If you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section and it will be attended to. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.